Hi friends. Welcome to Excel Hacks. Today, we are gonna cover some functions with some practical examples in Microsoft Excel. Using the sum function, you get the total sum of the selected cells as a result. But sometimes, we don't need to sum all of the cells in a row or column. Occasionally, we need a specific condition to be met in order to sum that cell. That is when we use the Sumif formula. Let's look at an SumIf example of values of different properties that were sold by an estate agent and the commissions the estate agent has gotten. Let's say our boss gives us a couple of questions like 1. What is the sum of the commissions for property values over $160,000? To solve this question, we use Sumif formula here. For range, we select entire property values from B3 to B6 because it has been asked in the question. And for criteria, we simply put this condition as per the question statement. Here in this question, we are required to find the sum of the commission values, so for this we select commission cells from C3 to C6. Now click enter. 63,000 is our answer. Now let's practice second question. 2. What is the sum of the property values over $160,000? To solve this question, we again use Sumif formula here. For range, we select entire property values from B3 to B6 because it has been asked in the question. And for criteria, we simply put this condition as per the question statement. Here in this question, we are required to find the sum of the property values that are greater than 160,000, so for this, we just ignore the commission values. Now click enter. 9 lakh is our required answer. Let's practice third most important question, in which we are required to sum the commission values for the property that first of all have value greater than 160,000 and secondly that was sold in Texas. Now, we have to solve this question with the help of SumIf's formula because we have now two conditions: property values greater than 160,000 and location of Texas.
In SumIf's formula, for sum range, we select commission values from D3 to D9. Press F4 for freeze values. For criteria range 1, we select property values from B3 to B9. Again press F4 here. For criteria 1, we just put condition as per question statement. Now for criteria range 2, we select entire state column from C3 to C9. Again we have to press F4. And for criteria, we simply write Texas. Finally press enter.
If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.